Hello, I am Khushi and you're watching Padega India News channel. Let's take a look at today's main headlines. The main news for today is that India is going to have 840 million 5G users by 2029. According to the Edison Mobility Report, India is expected to have 840 million 5G users by the end of 2029. The report also indicates that the data consumption per smartphone in India will increase from 29 GB per month to 68 GB per month by the end of 2029. According to the special reports, with Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio extensively deploying 5G networks across India, the number of 5G subscribers increased from 10 million in 2022 to 119 million by the end of last year. According to Edison Mobility Report, communication service providers (CSPs) are increasingly using 5G networks to offer fixed wireless access (FWA) services. Out of the 310 CSPs sampled globally for the study, 241 had offered 5G-based fixed wireless access services by April 2024. Among these, approximately 128 CSPs are providing FWA services, reflecting a 29% growth from 2022 to 2023. Network providers worldwide are mainly using 5G networks to offer enhanced mode broadband and fixed wireless access. However, only 50 out of those 300 CSPs globally are using standalone 5G networks, meaning most of them have yet to fully realize the network's capabilities. Researchers estimate that by the end of 2029, there will be around 5.6 billion 5G users, accounting for over 60% of all mobile subscriptions. While North America is expected to have high 5G penetration by the period in India, the number of 5G subscribers is expected to grow from 119 million to 840 million over the next 5 years. Let's have a look at the data consumption and 4G users. Reports also indicate that data consumption per smartphone in India will increase from 29 GB will increase from 29 GB per month to 68 GB per month by the end of 2029. While LTE is not going anyway anytime soon, the number of 4G subscribers in India is expected to decrease from 740 million to 410 million over the next 5 years. In the first quarter of 2024, around 160 million new users switched to 5G, bringing the total number of 5G users to 1.7 billion worldwide. This figure is expected to reach 5.6 billion by the end of 2029. So these were the main headlines for today. If you liked our news, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. Stay tuned with Padega India for the latest updates. Thank you.